Welcome to the introductory video for the Garland XPress Grill. Today we are introducing the new Garland XPress Grill, the recipient of the 2022 Kitchen Innovation Award. Recognized as one of the year's most forward-thinking and cutting-edge innovations that meaningfully improve food service operations, the new Garland XPress Grill offers new features for cost savings, menu expansion, and a new user interface for easier operation and service. Let us now talk about the cost savings aspect of the Garland XPress Grill. Firstly, the Express Grill's upper and lower grill plates cook both sides simultaneously, reducing cook times by up to 50%. The grill plates also operate as individual lanes, allowing for each lane to function independently. This not only allows you to cook at different temperatures, but power on off each lane depending on the capacity demands, offering a potential energy savings of 20 to 30%. The Express Grill comes standard with the Easy Touch user interface that offers features and benefits over the legacy model. The new Easy Touch user interface has been widely appreciated to cut down on the time for crew and user training. Technicians have also benefited from the advanced diagnostic and error logs to reduce the time required for troubleshooting, thus reducing equipment downtime. It is also equipped with connectivity capabilities, allowing for remote monitoring and updating, increased equipment uptime, predictive maintenance, and enhanced food safety. Now we shall talk more about the new cooking features of the Garland XPress Grill. It comes with improved temperature control and a new 1 3/4 inch cooking gap on the upper plate that opens the doors for menu expansion and better food quality. The multi-stage cooking function provides the ability to program up to 10 extra steps within the same recipe. Lastly, active compression gives a reliable platen locking mechanism that lets the operator set the gap between top and bottom cooked surfaces regardless of load. Consistent compression drops cook times almost by half. Lastly, let us talk about the ease of use. The Garland XPress Grill comes with the Easy Touch screen that boasts a design that is simple and intuitive with its press and go interface. It also comes with a USB interface for quick and easy menu updates. And lastly, it is easy to service with a user interface that provides advanced diagnostics and error logging, and all electrical parts are also standardized. This begs the question, when is the new Garland XPress Grill your best choice? The Garland XPress Grill is not only for burgers, but also offers efficient cooking and the highest food quality for a wide range of menu items, such as items that are cooked in large numbers and small size, for which turning sides takes a lot of time. Items that are big and difficult to flip. Items that are very soft or crispy, for which flipping could cause breaking. And items that are smooth and hard to clamp. Thanks for watching. For more information, please call your local Garland representative.